In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the Microsoft Office can't install error. Let's get started. First, make sure your PC actually meets the minimum requirements for Microsoft Office, Windows 10 or 11. Latest updates installed, at least 4 GB RAM, enough free disk space, 2 to 4 GB depending on version. If your system does not meet these, Office won't install properly. Next up, what you want to do is search for Run. Now type in appquiz.cpl and press enter. Look for any Microsoft Office versions in the list. Uninstall them completely. Next up, clear temporary files. For that, search for Run again. Launch it. Now type in %temp% and hit enter. Delete all the temporary files. This ensures no old installer files block the new one. When reinstalling Office, right-click the installer and choose Run as administrator. This avoids permission-related errors. Likewise, check Internet and Firewall. Office requires a stable connection to download and activate. Disable VPN or proxy if you are using one. Temporarily turn off your antivirus or firewall if it's blocking the installation. And next up, if Office is already installed but showing errors, launch your settings. Navigate to the option Apps. Click on the option Installed Apps. Select Microsoft Office. Click on Modify. Click on Quick Repair or Online Repair. This often fixes missing files and broken setups, and that's it. These steps should fix almost all Microsoft Office installation errors. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.